I should wear the way going to me, bros. Which kind of thing be this now? Eh? What be this? Slap. And I go tell you slap again, even though I'm say I dey rush. Oh my God.
Oh, what you did again? Come back.
Sir, I'm sorry about the other.
Obviously. Jesus!
Solomon had 700 wives, you know. So what's the name of the 635th wife?
Jesus is Lord!
Mrs.
Oh, you don't know? Okay, no problem. Number 2. The Minister of Education in Korea. What is the name of his first son?
Jesus!
But this is your CV. You finished with a strong 2 wives.
Please.
Mr. Sibley, please come.
Sir, should I resume?
Regards to your moms. Yes. My dear, help me greet your daddy.
Let me reach your daddy. My card.